lab. So here what I will do in this scenario, I can take like this. Let me take one switch here, okay, and I will take one more switch here, and here I will connect. We can connect any cables. I will connect two cables, and then I will take some switches here also. Let me take one switch here, layer 2, and here also I will take one switch. Now we will do the configuration. So here I will write SW1, this is SW2, and this one is SW3, and this one is SW4, and here we can connect like this. This way we can connect. We can take more number of ports also, but I am using only 2 just to understand the concept. Later if you want, you can take more, up to 8 you can use, 8 cable you can connect, but 2 is enough to understand the concept here. So I am taking 2, that is up to you. When you do assignment later, you can take 4 cables. So now we need to do the EtherChannel configuration. Here everywhere you can use the manual method, as we discussed just now, manual method. So we will use the manual method here. So I will configure here manual method. So first let's do the configuration. I will do here, I will write here like heading I can give EtherChannel, okay, EtherChannel lab, in bracket I can write static or manual method. Okay, so now let's do, I will do first for switch 1. So you need to remember switch 1 is a layer 3 switch. Enable config T, host name, this is the name of the switch is SW1, and interface you will take range F0 by 1 dash 2. This one I am taking this 2, and then I will write here switch port trunk encapsulation dot 1Q, because this one is layer 3 switch. If you have only layer 2, directly you can use. So I am making the interface as a trunk, this one, and you can see here also you have the below one also. You can take all together also, F0 by 1, F0 by 2, and here I think you have F0 by 3 and 4 here. So if you want to take all together, you can take all together also 1 dash 4. So you can configure trunk, this 2 and this 2 you can configure trunk in one shot. Now you need to configure the EtherChannel, this separately, this separately. So for that purpose you will write interface range F0 by 1 dash 2, and then here you will do the configuration. So EtherChannel configuration, if you are doing the manual, then you will write channel group, and you will put group number. Example I am taking 1, mode on. So this will be 1 EtherChannel, P of 1, we can say P of 1, and this should be another one. So here I can write interface range F0 by 3 dash 4, and here I can write channel group 1, not 1. If you take 1, it will mix up with the above one. Both will mix up. Both should be separate. This is separate, this is separate. So if you take 1 here for this interface, you should take 2 for this interface, or any other number, not the same number. This should not be same, else this EtherChannel will mix. So now let's copy paste, and I can paste till here, and we will see. So let's go here inside this switch, and you can paste here. This is a layer 3 switch, and here I will write no, and after that I will paste the configuration, basic configuration. I configure trunk, and now I can do that one. Let's do here directly interface range F0 by 1 dash 2. Then we can write switch port trunk encapsulation. Already we done the encapsulation, this one, but anyhow again I done. Now we need to do the channel group, and press question mark. You can create group 1 to 48, but anyhow here I am creating one group 1, here I am creating group 2. So this F0 by 1, F0 by 2 is this one, so I will write group 1 here. After that we need to define the mode, whatever the mode we have. If you put question mark, you will see here, if you are configuring the LACP, you will write the active. If you are configuring PAGP, you will use auto. If you are configuring PAGP, you will write desirable. And if you want to do manual, then you will write the on. So we will write on here and press enter. So EtherChannel form here, you can see EtherChannel interface port channel 1 is created and it go up. Now what we can do for the another one. So another one is interface range F0 by 3-4. Then I will write here what I can write, channel group, and group number you should give different here. You use 1 just now, so you can use here different 2. So I created here 2. After that you can exit and you can write show EtherChannel summary, and you can see you have 2 EtherChannel. One for the above one here, this one for the below one here, this one. And here nothing is showing because we did not use any protocol. We done with manual one. Okay, so this is the switch 1 configuration. Let's do the switch 2 also. So I can copy this whole thing from here to here. I can paste here, and let me change this as a switch 2, this also switch 2, and here I am here. So this 0 by 1, 0 by 2 remains same, and 3, 4, so this remains same here. And this one you can configure 1 and 2 as a group 1, and 3 and 4 you can configure as a group 2. So this configuration remains same for switch 2. So we can go here and paste here. Same configuration because we have the same port, everything, and number I am using the same. Here I use 1 for this one, so this one I am using here 1. Anything I can use. This side means in this switch, this port and this port should have the different group, else both will mix. So this one I am giving as a 1, this one I am giving as a 2. Same thing as I done here. This one I give 1 for this switch, this one I give for this switch 2. So same configuration I will paste here, and you can see everything is good, no error, nothing here. After that if you check, you will have the EtherChannel here, show EtherChannel summary. You have 2 EtherChannel here also. One will be this side, one will be this side, and we are using this, we are not using any protocol, that's why it came like this. Now we need to do for switch 3 and 4 also. So let me divide the notepad here. I can do for switch 3 and switch 4. So let me copy this whole thing. I can paste here and I can change the name of the switch. This is a switch 3, and here you have 1 or 2, this 2 port only. So I will write F0 by 1, F0 by 2, and no need to put this command because this is not a layer 3 switch. And after that you don't have this port here, you have only one port, F0 by 1 and 2. So here you are using only one. You can make any group number, you can put 1 or 2. Opposite side we put 2, but here our wish, we can put anything. If you want to put 2, you can put 2. If you want to put 1 here, you can put 1 also, our wish. So here anyhow I will put 2 here. So I will copy here, I will go to this switch, I will paste here in this switch, that configuration, and see here no error, nothing. After some time you can write show EtherChannel summary, and you can see you have the port channel here. I give 2 and P of 2, capital S means layer 2, U means in use here, and we are not using any protocol. Without protocol we done this one, and whatever ports are present in this one means port, we have this 2 port, F0 by 1, F0 by 2, and you can see P means port in channel. Same thing we need to do for the switch 4. So I will do here for switch 4. So I will change here, this is a 4 and this one is also 4, and this port is same, F0 by 1, F0 by 2, and this is the 2 only I can give. So same configuration we can use because here same ports and group I am using 2. So let's go to this switch and paste the configuration and we can check. I will paste here and you can see everything is good, no error, nothing, and you can write show EtherChannel summary, and see here you have the EtherChannel here. Okay, group we give 2, that's why 2 is coming here, and we are not using any protocol, that's why nothing is coming. And this is a P of 2, SU, S means layer 2, U means in use, and these are the 2 ports we have. This is a EtherChannel by using manual method or without protocol. So what we can say, we can configure the ether channel by using protocol. That one we done yesterday, and this one without using any protocol. So we did not use any protocol here.